Golf is a 4-player card game played with a standard 52-card deck and 2 jokers. The goal of the game is to earn the lowest number of points possible over the course of 9 rounds, called holes. To set the game up, the dealer shuffles the deck together and deals 6 cards to each player face down. Players do not look at the cards they are dealt. Then, the dealer sets the remainder of the deck in the middle of the table, reveals the top card from the deck, and sets it down next to the deck to make the discard pile. Each player spreads the cards they've been dealt out into 2 rows of 3 cards each. Play begins to the left of the dealer. The first player flips up any 2 cards from their 6-card spread. Then, they have the option of taking the top card from the discard pile or the top card from the draw pile and replacing any of their cards with it. The card they get rid of from their hand goes face up in the discard pile. Players are trying to end up with the lowest number of points in their hand at the end of the round. Aces are worth 1 point, jacks and queens are worth 10 points, kings are worth 0 points, jokers are worth -2 points, and the rest of the cards are worth their face value. If the 2 cards in a column are the same, the cards cancel each other out and are worth 0 points. After the first player takes their turn, the player to their left goes next. Once one player has all face-up cards in their hand, all of the other players get 1 more turn. Then the round is over, and everyone adds up the points in their hand and adds that number to their total score. Whoever has the lowest score after 9 rounds wins the game.